What's happening, kinfolk? Day 4. We've already left Black Hawk Mountain. We are here actually in Lakeside, Colorado, and headed to Dodge City, Kansas. So we're headed out that way, man. It's gonna run probably a little over 6 hours, 6 hours and 20 minutes, something like that. So we had to stop at Walmart. We stopped at this gas station, and then we're gonna head out. So it's been amazing so far. Colorado's beautiful. Beautiful. Yep. So time to keep on heading out, man. Keep on rolling. So I guess once we get to another stop, we'll bring you back out. I haven't been recording too much on my helmet just because it puts a lot of weight on my helmet. So hopefully Maya's been recording some stuff. Fuck, she said no. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. All right, good folks. We have made another gas stop. We're at Love Station, still in Colorado. We've ran about 3 hours already, huh? Yep. It's been about 3 hours we've been running already, and so we are in EADS, Colorado. E-A-D-S. I don't know how you say it, but that's how I said it. And so we should be crossing over into the Kansas state line here not too much longer. So when we get there, we'll stop, take some pictures. But Gabriel, how many miles we ran already so far?
Oh, 1,800, 1,892.
I said where?
No, 1,819.
There you go.
1,819. So almost 2,000 miles, man. So our trip's gonna be a good 3,000 miles, huh? It's going to be about 3,000 miles. So that's dope. And we've been running hard and fast, man. We ain't had time to really stop and hang out and do anything too much. Just what we planned to do, right? It's the only thing we've really done. But it's been amazing. I'm a little sad because I didn't get to get my drone up in Colorado out there in the mountains. But, you know, I'll get it up here one spot. So we'll just see what happens. But we're going to be hanging out in Dodge City. So we'll hang out in Dodge City and then from there we're gonna head to Tulsa, right? Yeah, we're going to Oklahoma.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so yeah, so we'll do that, man.
You don't even know what's going on, right?
Not anymore. Day 4. It's already getting all bundled. It's all getting clumped together. So we'll see whenever we get to the state line. See ya. Kinfolk, we made it, huh?
We made it.
Made it to Kansas. Check it out. Welcome to Kansas, baby. And let me tell you, it's hot. Ain't nothing like Colorado. But that side over here, this part of Colorado back there, that shit's hot over there too. The difference between where we were up in the mountains compared to the flatlands of Colorado, big difference. And they ain't shit out here, man. So we're gonna get some pictures right here real quick, and then we're gonna head on, keep on going, man, to Dodge City. So we'll see y'all in a little bit. Oh, kinfolk, we made it to Kansas, Dodge City, Kansas, and we're over here at this little sports bar called I Don't Care. Great name, right? So we're over here just hanging out, eating dinner, chicken wrap, chili cheese curly fries, or cheese curly fries, chicken wrap, fries, burger, chili cheese fries, rodeo burger, Cowboy burger, same thing. They run in the same crew. Joel's getting some IPA and wings. That's it. Oh yeah. And wings. He's getting wings, and then Jay got some burger with fries as well. What kind of burger do you get? Just a regular? Just a cheeseburger, right? That bun looks good, dude. Bun looks good. So we're gonna hang out here for a little bit, man. We actually decided to hit Dodge City first before going to Oklahoma, so which was a good call by Mello, huh, babe? Because that let us only run like a little over 6 hours compared to running about a 9 to 10 hour day. So it helped out a lot. We were able to hang out here tonight, eat dinner, and then in the morning we'll leave, head to Tulsa, Oklahoma, and then from Tulsa we're going to end up running to Pig Trail out in Arkansas. So we'll see you in the morning, man. We hope you enjoyed this video, and the trip has been amazing. We're going to keep running. We're going to keep running strong. So we'll see you all in a little bit. Peace.